12 months in the year. I'll give you the first one because from 2 to 12 carry numbers. Enero,
Arufudahati, 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 St.vincent&thegrenadines, Arufudahati, Arufudahati, Arufudahati.
Very good. Try that again. Enero. No. Again, wait. Alright? The first one, that's the only one. Let me hati the here. Let me have a also in here. Okay? Enero. Very good. Now, let me see now if you're practicing. Let's share our birth month. You won't give the year, just the day and the month. Like me, this is said to need a CC hat. What is that?
It's the 17th of June.
Very good. This is said to need a CC hat. Right, remember? Right? Yeah, 17th of June. Okay? So, okay? What she just said? When saying the leader CC hat.
Kairumo.
No, we don't. When saying you need a CC hat. No, not October. CC.
June.
Yeah. So 25th of June. Pay attention to
6 months before Christmas.
your mountain day. This we do need a with hat. 18th of August? Okay. This we do need a with hat.
27. Biyama, Linan, we do hot.
Okay.
Biyama what?
2nd of August. Yeah, day and
This is Santa. This is Santa. This is
okay. 17th of October. Okay. 19th of May. Okay, that's 27th of March.
So you say lead out before the month.
Okay, 8th of April. Yeah, Easter Sunday. We sing birthday.
Wafedo ha.
Most of you are DC hat. Okay. Oh, you're a Gemini like me, huh? Okay. 11th of June. Urwa. 3rd of March. Yeah, Urwa.
Say it again.
Urwa. All right. So don't forget that now. So when it comes to a year, like I say, if you are born from 60s, right, it will be Urwa Wayne. If you get into the 70s, Urwa Wayne DC. If 71, Urwa Wayne Unso. 72, Urwa Wayne Duso. Until you reach 76, then you go DC CC, DC 7, DC Vida, DC Nef Wayne. Right, and you carry on with 90, the same thing. Okay. Everybody, colors. Okay? I give you the English, you give me the Garifuna. Black.
Weriti.
White.
Haruti.
Red. Blue.
Dinguti.
Yellow. Purple.
Guchu.
Orange.
Aransu.
Brown.
Sauti.
Pink. Green. Okay, or you will use Wiriya Wuti or Wirigi. Okay. Now, random calling. Green. Red.
Unati.
Yellow.
Dumari.
White.
Haruti.
Pink. Blue. Okay. Kalu wengi bei wafani dira. Hafani dira garido. Kalu wengi bei hafani dira garido. Garifuna.
Litan Garifuna. Kilesi.
Luwegi wafani dira Haruti. No. Okay. Luwegi wafani dira Dumari. Haruti. Luma Wiriti. Lisuni Dumari. Lu Habiba la Garinogo. Gorasu. Luma Lafa Shuweyo. Right? Luma Lafa Shuweyo. Luma Wega Ereba. Lelewegi Ereba. So the meaning, hope and prosperity to the Garino people. The sun rises from the east, and the color of the cassava bread, which is a staple food. Right? Then the white stands for peace. Right? And the black is 300 years of darkness that the Carib struggled. With the French, with the Spaniards, with the British. Until 1795, when we lost the Chief of Chiefs, Joseph Chatwe, the 14th of March.
Where do we find that information?
DaleAranda.com.
All right. So now we go into the MBLTWHH pronouns. Right? Like I explained before, right? When it comes to I, you, because of our language of mother and father, right? The language of our father who are the Caribs and the language of our mother who are the Arawaks. When you have the pronoun I, it will be our mother say Nubuya, while our father, the Caribs, say Au. For you, our mother say Buguya, while our father, the Caribs, say Amur. Right? So when you conjugate, right, like you conjugate Ugutu, Uguturu, right, which is mother. My mother. Your mother. His mother. Her mother. Your mother. Plural. Your mother. Plural. Our mother. Right? Donkey. Right? Our mother. Your mother. Plural. Then dear mother. Okay? And like I was explaining, kala nengube, lele bidi Allah atwa bugusho, lubadeiro aba irang bogu, aba bengu abalu duno, igo bugusho. Which where's the mother? Walube abadene irani. Aba familia, irani mila aba familia ahora. Mabuse bidi lukara aba igo bugusho. Aba abo bugusho. No, Pugushu, where is your mother plural? Right? Or if you want to ask Isani, right, Yaba, Hagushu, that means you're asking Isani, where is their mother?
His family.
No, not his mother, but yeah, if you know, if you want to bring it up. Okay? So let us not be confused. This is asking one person, and this is asking more than one. Okay? So, Bugusho, Bugusho. Igong Bugusho, Igong Bugusho. Right?
Wait, so when you're asking, so for Hakushu, you're asking another person?
Yeah.
Where's
Their mother. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Like if you find a friend in the house, you won't ask him how bush. Right?
Can we do a dialect, you and I, if I ask you a question with the
That will be next.